Taylor well trained. You see that Caleb can use his height as an advantage. Taylor taking the waist lock, go behind. And nice throw, take down, take off by Caleb.
Ooh, there you go. Don't do that. Don't do that, Taylor. She's one of the feistiest competitors you'll ever see. This young lady can throw hands.
A great display in the height and speed difference between the two. Nicely done there. Shoulders are down. No.
Taylor very quick. Look at this run. Oh no, strengthen Caleb. Uh-oh.
Good for you, Taylor. Hey, listen,
There
not
you
for
go.
nothing. It's a great counter for anyone. That height difference is going to be a big problem, just from an athletic point of view. Cover, pressing the shoulders down.
Watch Tennille.
He's really not doing anything, he's just talking.
Yeah, but you know, maybe because Brandon Toll turned around too quickly. Oh! No, that hurts. I don't care what language, what country, where you at, that hurts. Taylor Wilde, maybe this is an opportunity here. Strong right hand.
You have to remember what Caleb has been through. He was in a neck brace for quite some time, and now back competing at a high level at the perfect time, I think. For Taylor Wilde, that's something to say about it.
That's a great leverage move from Taylor there. Now Taylor coming in a clothesline in the corner. Look at these forearms. Those are connected right on the chin.
I mean, I think in a way, many people believe that you can assign the guilt on to Tennille as to why Taylor Wilde was off and on the shelf. But perhaps it goes deeper. You saw that she got nailed square on the chin and still kicked out. So someone somewhere wants Taylor gone because Taylor's that good.
What the hell's Caleb doing? He's got the... No, Caleb says no, drop kick in the back. Caleb to the floor, where's Taylor going? Crossbar, oh!
Height and strength.
Yes. Oh, kick up DDT, yes! Oh! Ooh, did they clash heads there? Oh, poison! Oh my goodness!
Oh yeah! Two.
Got him!
Here is your winner, Taylor Wilde.
Oh man, everything was on point right there. Taylor Wilde has not lost a step, D'Lo.